Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and for the past month or so, I've been using this great cooking pot. This is from Fullwill. This pot literally can make anything and in any amount of time that you want so that your day will be so much easier. I really appreciate that the pot comes with everything that I needed to be able to get going. It has a rack for inside. It has two pots that I can use, both of which are super easy to clean. The functionality on this pressure cooker is also super easy to figure out. It does have a touch screen, but it's very intuitive. I barely had to look at the instruction book, something that normally I don't do, but I intuitively was able to figure this out so easily. This pot cooks super nice and even. Everything distributes really well when it comes to heating. I've used it both for soup and as well as for instant pot recipes, and everything has come out perfect. Fits right into my cabinet, and that way I can just pull it out whenever I need that kind of easy, quick cooking solution. If you're looking for a pot that is very nice to figure out, works awesome, does so much, has tons of functionality, this is a great one to go with. I would highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.